Median list price fell 11.3% this week on the Eastern Shore, hitting $399,000. It's Friday, May 22nd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Inventory is up 22.7% year over year and rising 3% week over week to 2,372 units at a median $419,900 list price and at 62 median days on the market thus far. 163 units of new inventory will be coming soon at a median list price of $422,000. New contracts fell 7% this report to 202 units at a median list price of $368,900. These went under contract in 19 days. 163 homes sold in 19 days at 98% list to sold ratio and at a median $390,000. There are 136 rental properties for lease at a median $2,200 per month. These have been on the market for 49 days. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 22nd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your holiday weekend and take a moment of silence on Monday to acknowledge those on Memorial Day who have sacrificed their lives in the line of duty. I'll see you next week. Take care.